Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. This week we're talking a little bit about business cases, and I want to spend the week discussing this. I think this is a valuable enough topic for us to spend an entire module, and the reason being is because this goes to the heart of what we've been saying since week 1, which is, are we creating technology that's valuable to the business? Does it map with strategic priorities? Is it a good investment? Are we spending the money wisely, and are we taking is the company spending wisely to do all the things that we're talking about with enterprise architecture in a way that's going to bring value back? So business case does two things. Number one, it makes sure that we're on the right track in terms of making investments that are going to be valuable, because we have to make this business case work. And then on the other thing it does is it helps to communicate the value back to the business. So learning how to do good business cases is important for us, because it helps us to be able to communicate and shape why spending resources, managing and improving your ability to manage information is going to be important for the business. So that's what the week is about. Our assignment this week is going to be basically to create a business case. We'll use the data that we have in one of the books as a sort of foundation for it. But it'll be the same. We'll go through a presentation here, take a look at the video, read through the presentation so you get some of the key points and lessons learned out of it. A lot of reading that we're going to be looking at in terms of understanding how to build business cases. And then a quiz, a discussion really about your background and what you've learned about business cases, both ones that were presented well and ones that weren't. And then we'll build the business case itself and be done with the module with a quiz. So that's it. Have a good week 6.